Hi, so mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bookie Rice Stitches. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get body cutting and sewing of this beautiful knife plate skirt that you're seeing right now on your screen. And if you're interested, let's get started. So this is the measurement that you're going to be using. Your round waist measurement times 3. So you're not going to be dividing, you're going to be multiplying, okay? So mine is 35 inches. My round waist is 35 inches times 3. Give me about 105 and I added about 2 inches, both for the zipper allowance and the joining. Okay. Now, and I'm using crepe material. Actually, you can use any fabric of your choice, but this is what I want to use for my client. My client request for this. So guys, if you're not seeing all the marking clearly, please beat my phone. All right, guys. So let's get started. Now, when we multiply our waist measurements, we have about 105 plus 2 inches. So we are going to be cutting it out. So if you are going to do cut and join, please I advise you to be very careful when you are doing cut and join so that you not cut out the part that is not stretches and you cut out the part that is stretches. At the end, you are going to be having a little problem. Okay. So I've gone ahead to cut out my 107 inches. Okay, then I've gonna here to weave it as well because I want to hem it down. I don't want to stitches. I don't want thread to show. Okay, so now I will go to my ironing table right now and start going hemming the down the hemming allowance. So, and I'm using 2 inches depending on what you left as your hemming allowance. Hemming allowance is 2 inches. Yours can be 1.5. Yours can be 1 inches. Is depend on what you want. And then the skirt length that I'm working with right now is 20 inches. Okay. Please remember to minus your waistband from your length. All right. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm hemming it. I'm going to hem in everything all through. Okay. So and when I'm through with that, I my camera was not recording when I was cutting out the band, the waistband. My waistband on fold is 4 inches. When I fold it is 2 inches. So it's just normal way of attaching our band. And if you don't know how to do that, drop it in the comment section. I will do a full tutorial for you. Okay. So I'm still ironing it. Please make sure you put plenty water. Baptize your clothes with water. All right. So that you won't have any problem. So we are done with us. So another thing that I want to quickly do now, to get our knife pleat on skirt is just 4.5. But me, I will be sharing that 4.5 into 3. So I'll be marking 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Now I'm actually doing that because of beginner. So after I mark my 0.5 as zipper allowance, from my zipper allowance, I will start marking my 1.5 all through. All right, so just follow what I'm doing right now. So that plate I'm using my hand to demonstrate, I'm pointing out all the 1.5 that I marked out, and I will do the same thing on the hemming side. So I'm trying to connect the 1.5 or the upper part and to the down part as well, so that it'll be very easy for me when I want to iron and for my plate to come out well. But if you are used to this, you don't need to do that your 1.5, just your normal pattern. But this video is for beginner that don't know how to do this, and for them to easily get it. So that's why I go with the pattern of 1.5 all through, and then so start marking your 1.5. That's what I'm doing right now. And you have to be very careful when you are marking it because a lot of you used to have problem with that. But just follow what I'm doing. It's very very easy. It's beginner friendly as well. Guys, don't forget that I said my waistband is on fold is 4 inches. When I fold it is 2 inches. Okay. Now I will count one. So it's time for us to start pleating our skirt now. The third 1.5, I will carry it and I will take it to my zipper allowance. That's what I'm trying to use my hand to demonstrate. Sorry, my chalk is not really showing. I'm sorry about that. So, and I will use my pin to pin it down. All right. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll use my office pin to pin it down so that it can stay in one place. And I will go to the down as well. I will pin the down as well. So you'll be using the mark, the chalk mark as a guideline so that you will not be confused. So pin down the down part as well. Just pin it down. Okay, so carry the third one, let it meet the last check mark. Can you see the way I'm doing it? It's very easy, and that's how you are going to be doing it till the end. And let me quickly show you this for you to know whether you're on the right path or you're on the wrong side. For you to know the amount of pleat that you are going to pleat, just divide your waist by 1.5. Like divide your my own is 35, right? But 35 divided by 1.5, it will give you exact plate that you're supposed to get. So if you don't get that, that means you are not getting it. I believe is this video is self-explanatory. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it. And guys, let me show you the final look of this video. You're going to love it. Don't mind my camera. My camera is very, very bad. If you see this video physical, you will love it. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.